We have gone to great lengths to try and keep this as easy as possible. What you do is you add your used cooking oil into this port here. You go around and add 4 gallons of methanol into this port, 6 gallons of methanol into this one here, as well as 1,500 grams of sodium hydroxide, commonly called lye. And then you turn on the machine, you press start, and your last step, you add 190 milliliters of sulfuric acid into the main port. And then you can walk away. And what the machine does is it goes into a 2-cycle reaction. It does an acid reaction followed by a base reaction. And this just allows it to convert dirtier oils than you'd be able to do otherwise. 24 hours after you've started, you return to the machine. You'll see a distinct line in the sight glass. That's the glycerin and the biodiesel. You'll want to drain off the thicker glycerin at the bottom, and then you straighten up and you press the wash button. This puts the machine into a 3-cycle water wash. It sprays water down on top of the biodiesel, and that water filters through the biodiesel, catching any residual contaminants that might be there. That water's automatically pumped out, and 48 hours after you start, you have finished ASTM grade biodiesel fuel that you're ready to pump out with this onboard fuel dispensing pump. You can pump it into your vehicle, you can pump it into storage, or whatever you'd like.